In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Kai Jewelers discount promo code in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for Kai Jewelers discount promo code. Right here, select this website which is called couponfollow.com and open it. As you can see, we have a list with different type of promo codes that we can use in order to get a discount. For example, if you want to get this coupon with 25% off discount, all you have to do right here is select show coupon code, and this is the promo code. You can copy this one from right here, and you can apply this promo code on your next purchase in order to get a discount. Also, going back to our main search right here, we have this website which is called simplycodes.com. So as you can see right here, we also have a list with a lot of promo codes that you can use. For example, if you want to get this one with 15% of discount, all you have to do right here is select copy code, and you can copy this promo code and apply this one on your next purchase in order to get a discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.